I want to say a shout out to our $11.99 members. Hi! Give us a thumbs up. Okay, so a little bit about what we do here. Here at the Teaching Kitchen, what we do is we provide delicious meals and delicious foods that are just lower in salt, lower in sugar, but with all of the flavor and all of like the favorites that you grew up eating. So that's what we do here. We have amazing classes. They're only $5 and you're gonna get me or your near, someone assisting you. You get to do these amazing recipes and you get to take it home. So you can't beat that. What we're doing today is we are going to be doing a kale, mango, and ginger smoothie. So I got my nice blender over here, and it consists of kefir, water, some mango. We got some lemon, and we have some kale. You want to make sure that you put the liquid in first, so that it blends nice and smooth. So we're pouring in the kefir. Kefir is really high in probiotics, in calcium, and it is like a yogurt type drink, and it's a liquid, so it won't be as thick as a yogurt, but it's in the same family. So the next thing we're gonna put in is we're gonna put in our water, right? Then we're gonna put in our kale. Kale is high in vitamin K, in calcium. This is like a vegetarian form of calcium, so you don't have to eat dairy, but you could, if you don't eat dairy, then you could have this, high in calcium. Vitamin K, so vitamin K promotes calcium absorption. It helps with it, and it has vitamin C too, so it's really good. I'm gonna put that in there. Next, we're gonna put in our mango. It'll give it a really nice, yummy smoothie taste. We're gonna squeeze in our lemon. I put in the lemon because it actually kind of blends it in really nicely and it solidifies the flavors. It just kind of blends it well. We're gonna add a little salt, not only for our sodium content, it's like about 1/8 tablespoon, but also like when you're making like ice cream or stuff like that, you add salt to make it more frozen. Same concept. So now we're gonna blend this. Oh, and our ginger. There's about 1 inch of ginger. So ginger is anti-inflammatory and it's really good. So let's just put that in there. Okay. Then we're gonna blend. Okay, I think it should be done. Told you the mango was frozen. Super frozen. All right, perfect. So now we're left with this beautiful, bright green, beautiful smoothie. And enjoy. Why do you like this combination of ingredients? Okay, first I want to say you could put whatever ingredients really you want to add to it. I like the flavors. I like the kale because of the vitamin K. I like the kefir because it's high in protein. The mango gives it a nice tropical flavor, which I love. But the end, like I said, the lemon just kind of like blends all the flavors together nicely. And the ginger just gives it that punch and that's a little bit of spice. Now, as far as at home, you could add whatever combination of fruits and vegetables that you like. And that would be absolutely fine. Question number 2, how do I hide kale from my kids? That's a good one. So the green color might repel the kids, right? Or it just might repel anyone who's doesn't really care for veggies or drinking them. So what you want to do is you can add blueberries, strawberries, even blackberries, and it's going to give it a beautiful like purplish, bluish tint, and that's great. Question number 3. What else can we use if we don't have an ingredient? Okay, so let's say you don't have the kefir. You could add yogurt and some water and that'll smooth it out. That is absolutely fine. Question number 4. Why do you like to use kefir? Okay, I like kefir because it's very high in protein. It's high in probiotics as well, high in calcium, and it is wonderful to, you can just add it and it just fills. It's really good. There's fruit flavors if you want to add. I like to use plain because that way you could just blend it out with whatever fruits you want. For more information and a list of ingredients, I would love for you to visit www.1199seiubenefits.org/healthy eating, and you'll be able to get a list of ingredients and everything that we spoke about. So thank you so much.